Hello students, this is our first video of E2 part, that is grammar. Let us start with parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. Every word in any sentence is from this category. Let us start with noun. I know students, you have already learnt about nouns, but we will make our concepts more strong by studying in detail. What is noun? A noun is a word that refers to a person, place, animal or a thing. To make you understand, let us see the examples of each. From the picture, you can see this is a boy. It comes under the category of person. Next, this is a tiger. It comes under the category of animal. It is a picture of Taj Mahal. It comes under the category of place. Next, this is a pencil. It comes under the category of thing. In short, basically all these 4 categories comes under noun. Classification of nouns. Nouns are classified into 4 categories. They are common nouns and proper nouns, collective nouns, countable nouns and uncountable nouns, concrete nouns and abstract nouns. In this grade, we are going to study in detail about common and proper nouns and collective nouns. Common and proper nouns. Following are the definition. A common noun is a word that refers to general names of people, places or things. They are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of the sentence. A proper noun is a name that refers to a specific person, place or thing. All proper nouns begin with capital letter. Explanation part. See the first example. A boy is standing. Boy comes under the common noun, as it is a general name given to a person. But if I say Virat plays well, Virat is a proper noun because Virat is a specific name given to a person. See the second example. I like to read books. Books is a common noun because it is a general name given to a thing. But if I say, I study from the grammar tree book in school, the grammar tree is a proper noun as it is a specific name given to a thing. See the next example. I like to go to school. School is a common noun as school is a general name given to a place. But if I say Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Now Taj Mahal is the proper noun as it is a specific name given to a place. Let's understand with some more examples. Before we start, please note green color is for common noun, orange color is for proper noun. First, the man was greedy. Man is a common noun as it is a general name given to a person. Next, Sanya played with her brother. As I know about whom I am talking, Sanya. So Sanya is a specific name given to a person. So it is a proper noun. Brother is a common noun as it is a general name given to a person. Next, Radha bought a bicycle. Radha is a specific name given to a person. So Radha is a proper noun. Bicycle is a common noun as it is a general name given to a thing. Next, I forgot my umbrella at home. Umbrella is a general name given to a thing. So it comes under the common noun. In the same way, home also comes under the common noun as it is a general name given to a place. Next, there is no school on Sunday. I don't know which school I'm talking about. So school is a common noun. It's a general name given to a place. Sunday is a proper noun as the day is specified, that is Sunday. Please note, days of the week, months of the year, all comes under the proper noun. Next, they live in a city. City is a general name given to a place. So city comes under the common noun. Next, John entertains people in a circus. John is a specific name given to a person. So John is a proper noun. People is a general name given to a person. So people is a common noun. In the same way, circus is a general name given to a place. So circus come under the common noun. Next, Jaipur is a beautiful city. I know about which city I am talking, that is Jaipur. So Jaipur is a proper noun. City, it's a general name given to a place. So city is a common noun. Explanation of common and proper noun is over. I hope you have understood the same. Here goes our assignment. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. First, my mother went to the market. Second, the Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. Third, farmers feed their cattle in the hills. Fourth, my uncle lives in New Zealand. Fifth, a man is an intelligent animal. Sixth, flowers grow in the garden. Seventh, Ali has broken my pen. Eighth, I bought a new jacket. I request all the students to do the assignment so that when we will discuss the same, you can go through your mistakes and clear the doubts.